Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the webcast of the third attempt of Karman Aerospace K1 rocket to launch into space. My name is Sander. I'm the CEO of Roblox Spaceflight, and now I'm part of the commentators team in Karman Aerospace. I'm here with my team of commentators. We are here with Reitzer. He is the CEO of Space News and Updates. He is also part of this group of commentators today at this attempt. He is from Malaysia and he is here with Planiverse, Protecti, Cutie, and me. We have our second commentator. His name is Cutie. He's from England and he is going to be the second commentator on this attempt of trying to reach space with Karman 1. So, Cutie, you are now free to talk.
I want to start by mentioning that today is a truly special day as we gather here to witness the first ever Karman 1 rocket launch from the Karman Aerospace campus. It is a moment we will always remember as it signifies a significant milestone in space exploration.
Drilling the launch pad itself is no small feat. It represents the accumulation of tremendous effort, perseverance, and hard work. It's a testament to the dedication and brilliance of the incredible minds behind the endeavor.
Today we embark on an exciting journey that extends our reach beyond of our planet's confines. This launch symbolizes our unyielding human spirit and insatiable curiosity to explore the unknown.
So let's stand together in awe and anticipation as we witness the Karman 1 rocket take flight. This is a day to celebrate the remarkable achievements and the boundless possibilities that lie ahead.
Hold on. Okay, stream stop. I don't know what happened there. So as you can see on your screen, there is the Karman 1 rocket, the third Karman 1 rocket, standing on the Launch Complex 1 at the Karman Innovation Campus in the United Kingdom. We are at 18 minutes left for the expected launch of this rocket.
Between now and the next major timestamp in today's test launch, there is a bit of time
T
for
minus 18 minutes and counting. Liquid hydrogen and liquid oxygen load start.
I'd like to begin by mentioning the fact K1 can carry 9 tons into LEO while remaining reusable for the first ever launch vehicle of Karman. This is quite impressive. Also, to note a landing will not be attempted by Karman today. We have been told that this mission is to gather data for future missions.
Yeah, Karman has already said that there's about a 72% chance of the rocket reaching a stable low Earth orbit today. Therefore, ground crew personnel are on standby and ready for anything that may go wrong.
Exactly. So we have a 72% chance of this mission to be successful. So we hope that this rocket made into orbit. So yeah, here with my team, we are with our fingers crossed, awaiting for the T0 as expected. We are hoping that Mission Control does a great job with this attempt. So yeah, so let's stand together and yeah, we are going to wait until T0. We are at T minus 16 minutes and counting.
The certification process is rigorous and comprehensive, and is designed to ensure that the rocket is safe and reliable before it's allowed to fly. The results of the flight certification tests are carefully evaluated by regulators and subjects matter experts to determine if the rocket meets the required standards and is ready for operational use. The flight certificate is yet to be signed by Karman, ESA, and CAA.
Like everyone has heard before, failure is a part of the success. That the previous attempts, of course, we have failed a couple times, but this time we are sure that this is a much higher chance of achieving success, and clearing the path to them might not be a massive advancement for research itself, as um, considering the chance of success today. I think, well, not I think, the team thinks that, yeah, there's not much to expect, and we may be doing it today. And this today is the day where we will achieve a low Earth orbit, and yeah, let's hope everything goes right.
Exactly, Godspeed, Karman 1. So, let's talk more about the flight plan for today. At T minus 2 minutes, the engine chill will start. This is to prepare the engine for the amount of heat that will be generated from ignition. Next, at T minus 1 minute and 45 seconds, is the strong back retract, which is that gray tall structure which supports the rocket on the launch pad. Once that retract is, it's up to the launch clamps to keep the rocket in place and then to release it.
We have just had confirmation the vehicle has switched to internal guidance. This is extremely exciting, Sander. Karman hasn't had a launch in 2 years, but within the next minute, we might witness the first ever time a Karman Space System rocket has lifted off from its magnificent campus.
Yep, you're right. This is definitely very exciting. Yeah. We are getting extremely close right now, and warning lights has been turned off, indicating we're go for launch. And this time, a hole hasn't been caught yet. I think we might be good to go.
Exactly. So the Karma One fuel systems use a mix of hydrolax, which is essentially liquid hydrogen mixed with liquid oxygen. Right now, you will see a lot of smoke arise from the rocket itself and tank farm. This shows signs of a propellant mixture being loaded onto the rocket.
All right, since we have time right now, let's talk about ourselves. This is my first time being a commentator of Karman's Aerospace, and yes, I'm very nervous, and I'm fucking shaking. Sorry, I am shaking right now, and I am the CEO of RSNU, Aerospace News and Updates, and also a C-suite executive of Karman Aerospace. And even though I've been here for 1 or 2 years, it's still my first time actually voice revealing on the stream. Yeah, and I'm very nervous. Cody, it's your turn.
Yeah. I'm also a seaside executive in Karman Aerospace. This is also my first time commentating. As I said before, I'm from England. Ritza, you're from Malaysia, and Sandra, you're from Venezuela. And yeah, Sandra's all you know.
So, I'm Sander. I'm the CEO and founder of United Space International Launch Service, a space company partner with Karman Aerospace. Also, I'm the CEO of Roblox Spaceflight, and I'm now the part of the commentators team in Karman Aerospace. I'm the first I'm the owner of the first Latin American space company in raw space. And also, I'm the first commentator, which is Venezuelan. I'm the first Venezuelan commentator in Karman Aerospace. So, yeah,
Uh,
good. God is all yours.
yeah. We're here to inform you that the recent launch of the K1 rocket did not really succeed as planned. After a careful analysis, it has been determined that the failure was actually attributed to a combination of factors. Due to a rush build time, certain critical stages of the rocket's construction were expedited, leading to unforeseen errors and compromises. Additionally, some components utilizing the rocket were found to be older than recommended. It was way old and potentially contributing to the launch failure. As we acknowledge that this outcome is disappointing, we apologizes for any inconvenience caused later on and before. Our team is fully committed to learning from this experience and implementing necessary improvements to prevent similar incidents in the future.
So, as you can see on the screen, there is a picture of the Karman 1 rocket. So you can see there is the engine block confirmed by some engines made by Karman Aerospace. As you can see, it's a pretty good and pretty first stage with the name of Karman Aerospace. Also, the some decals, also logos of ESA, the United States, United Kingdom, and also the second stage, which is pretty too. So you can see there's the Karman One logo and also the Karman Aerospace, and there you go with the fairing. This rocket is pretty good. It's well designed, to be honest. What do you guys think?
Yeah, I think it's fascinating.
Yep. So we reached 10 minutes. During this time, liquid hydrogen and liquid oxygen loads will be committing to a hold. The flight director will be conducting a
Liquid
load,
hydrogen fueling complete.
as you heard.
All right. The common one uses Griffin version 2 engine, and it has produces 280,000 thrust and chamber pressure of 180 bar. Uh, there's three Griffin version 2 engines on the first stage, and which is able to uh, power us to escape the Earth's atmosphere. I'm sorry for the disconnection.
Well, as you can see on your screen, there is the Griffin version 2 engine. Pretty cool engine, to be honest.
Works well. So here's the difference between the version 1 and then version 2. With version 1, it actually had a higher mass than version 2, with the difference having 2,100 kilograms of mass on V1 and 1,500 kilograms on the second, where with the thrust actually having, with V2 having 40,000 more pounds than V1, which actually kind of makes a big difference, along with the chamber pressure with V2 having 40 more in the bar.
So, Cody, what do you think about today's launch? Is it well, why not give me some opinions on it?
I can't wait for all of this, to be honest. I actually can't wait for it to actually launch. everything looks very good. I actually think it will actually be a successful launch, to be honest. But it's always never true. It might obviously like you know blow up or it could even do anything.
Yeah, I'm pretty excited to be here with you guys, working as a team to provide this live stream to all the people excited and all the people interested about this launch and interested about Karman Aerospace advance in space exploration.
Yeah.
So we are at T minus 5 minutes.
Here's a very cool fun fact for you guys. If you actually didn't know, K1 wasn't actually Karman's first rocket. It was actually the CR2A5. That was actually the first Karman rocket there.
So I don't know if you guys in the chat can cheer up the mission control. They are working very hard to make this rocket fly and trying to achieve orbit on this third attempt.
Yep, I can definitely see quite a lot of people. Well, not a quite lot of people. It's 9 people in the chat, and they are in fact hyping this launch up. And I can see how their excitement through this text. Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Yes. Forgot to mention, there's actually a kaitar Studios payload on board as well. That's also actually contributing to this rocket launch as well, which is actually good to know as well.
Yeah, this is the first time that the K1 is going with a payload into space. I don't know what is the payload actually. I think it's a secret payload of Kaitar Studios launching in this mission. So yeah, I'm with the fingers crossed, waiting for the T0.
Sander, what is your
And
feelings about this whole thing?
what
What is your feelings about this whole thing? Do you think it will fly? Do you think it won't? Like,
I
it's a,
think in this attempt we're gonna achieve orbit because of these two attempts that they will be successful. So we are yeah, I mean fail is a part of the success. So we're gonna
Yeah.
make this a great attempt. Maybe we can fail, maybe we can succeed, but the only thing that we can do is wait for the aftermath of this mission.
yeah, I think it's actually very exciting. We're getting extremely close. It has recently gone past T minus 4 minutes, and the warning lights will be turned on in a bit. So
Okay, so we are so close to the T minus 2 minutes mark. Okay, T minus 2 minutes and counting. Maybe we can see the strong back retract very soon.
yeah, and whilst that is all happening, we can all just sit back and watch Karman make history.
Yeah,
Godspeed, K1.
Godspeed K1.
Godspeed K1. But now we are quite have nothing to do but to wait for the next timestamp. And RSNU, Roblox, Roleplays and News and Updates, they are currently standing by and ready for a transmission between two agencies on Twitter to provide the most accurate 24/7 coverage of Common One third attempt mission.
So we can confirm that Roblox Spaceflight and the
Engine
Bolivarian
fuel
Agency
start,
of
calculate
Space
system of
Activity.
go, no go pole.
Okay, as you heard, there is mission control. So the we have a tracking station awaiting for the signal of K1 in Venezuela. That is the Tierra Nueva station is awaiting for the signal to track the K1 while passing through South America. The Terra Nueva station is awaiting for the
K1 is
tracking
both for
of
launch,
this.
strong backward tracked, T-minus 1 minute and 45 seconds, K1 in internal guidance mode.
We just have confirmation of the vehicles is going to the soundbar retard. We are T minus 1 minute and 45 seconds.
Well, things
Definitely
are getting
exciting,
really
folks.
exciting here and very interesting indeed.
Yup.
Yeah, I think I think we are all very hyped for this flight. Oh, and there it
Okay.
is.
T minus 1 minute and counting. We just have confirmation that the vehicle switched to internal guidance. This is extremely exciting.
Yeah. The third orbital flight of this Karman Launch System will actually be very good. There's a small window, so obviously get everything set up. We have
T
T
minus
minus 1.
45 seconds.
Yep.
Minus 40 seconds. Okay.
Oh, we are
We
getting
are reaching
really,
the
30
really
final
close
seconds,
to the
range
seconds.
recalling
takeoff
all
here.
telemetry data.
30 seconds. So maybe we can do the final countdown. 20,
T-minus 20
19,
seconds, all systems nominal.
18, 17, 16,
16,
15,
15,
14,
14,
13,
13,
12,
12,
11,
11,
T-minus
Minus
10,
10,
10,
10,
9,
9,
9,
8,
8,
8,
6,
7,
7,
5,
6, 5,
4,
4,
3,
3,
2,
2, 1.
1. Ignition.
And we have engine ignition.
engine go.
K1 liftoff.
And we have a liftoff. Liftoff of the
Pad
Karman
cleared,
1
ground operations go.
Good liftoff,
from
good liftoff,
Karman
guys.
campus.
and Karman 1 has successfully lifted off from the Karman
Vehicle
solar
K1
base,
has cleared the
marking the
tower.
disconnected.
first ever launch of a Karman rocket.
All systems nominal.
Alright, our system is nominal and range is recording all telemetry data. At T plus 49 seconds, we will reach max Q. So far, this mission is already a huge achievement for Karman. I bet you the engineers, mission
Max
control,
Q.
and executive are
Right
insanely
now.
happy
And
to see their
onboard
car
view is
pay
coming
off.
up right now.
And there is onboard view.
Right now, the speed of the K1 is going up in 10 kilometers per hour every second. It goes up every 10 times. It's right now at 1600 kilometers per hour. And it's always going up, and it's
This
keeping
is
going
so
up.
exciting. There you
Very
can
exciting.
see. Okay.
Let's see the final result of this whole thing.
Main engine cut off.
And we have Miko. Stage separation confirmed.
State separation confirmed. Actually, stand by for state separation.
Okay, we are standby for stage separation. Okay, we are waiting for mission control to confirm the stage separation of K1 between the first and second stage.
Yes.
We reach a huge achievement, that is main engine cutoff. We are awaiting for the separation at any moment.
It's a very remarkable achievement for the team and Karman itself, along with all the other contributors. It's actually been a very good sighting to see that has successfully
Okay,
lifted off.
folks, I think there's some kind of problems maybe on the separator. We are awaiting for the mission control to confirm anything about this.
Also, please be aware that everything you're seeing here might not be the actual live coverage of the K1 because we have to
Okay,
wait
we
for
State separation.
right now.
yeah, there you go. State
And
separation
there it is,
and
and there it is.
the vacuum engine
Second
has
stage engine
started.
start.
Okay, this
There
is
you
getting
go.
even more exciting. We are getting closer and closer to Leo.
Yeah. I was scared about the stage one not separating from the stage two, but it did it.
Current deploy.
We did
And we
indeed do
have
it.
the fairing separation. Well, here on mission control, we can see on our engineering cameras that the engine is going pretty good as expected.
K1 splashdown. K1 stage 1 splashdown.
Well, the we can see here on mission control, and with the K1 telemetry, the stage two is still ascending to the designed orbit. We are
Unfortunately,
waiting.
machine triangle.
Okay, we are waiting for.
Seco
Okay,
second
we
engine
have
killer.
Seco confirmed. Okay, we have Seco. I don't know. We are waiting for the nominal orbit insertion announcement at any moment.
K1 is in orbit.
Let's go!
Let's go! We are in orbit right now. This is a remarkable
Finally.
moment from Karman Aerospace. Wow.
Remarkable results.
Yeah,
Standing.
we made it, folks.
We've definitely made it. We've created history.
This is a huge achievement for Karman Aerospace. I'm gonna be honest. This is a huge, but very huge achievement. The only thing that we are waiting is the payload deployment. Is expected at any moment.
We have finally achieved success after 2 years of waiting. This is a very, very historical moment
Yeah,
that of Karman Aerospace. Wow! From the start of the stream, from to now, it's been 30 minutes, and we have successfully made it into the orbit in T minus 5 minutes or something. And this is incredible. I'm
pretty
speechless.
exciting to be honest. So, okay, we had confirmation of mission control that the payload deployment is going to be in 30 seconds. Although, if the payload don't separate, anyways, this is a huge achievement for Karman Aerospace. The K1 is in orbit. Maybe in a few minutes, the Terrena Nueva station in Venezuela maybe will be tracking the K1 with his orbit phase.
We have finally received confirmation from Aerospace News and Updates team that they are already preparing for the summary of this mission, which means you should be able to get a summary video of this specific mission of Common One third attempt. So yeah,
Exactly.
please stay tuned.
Okay, I think we have a visual issues with the payload camera. Okay,
Payload
confirmation. The
deployed.
payload deployment confirmed. Congratulations, Karman Aerospace. Congratulations, Kaitar Studios. This is a huge achievement. Now the mission control will track the stage 2 during his coast phase in orbit. Also the RSNU tracking stations and also the Bolivarian Space Agency tracking stations in Venezuela will be tracking this stage 2 during its stay in orbit.
Deployment is confirmed now of the payload.
And all we
And
can
there we have
say,
it. Mission
yeah,
success.
mission successful. We made
Very,
it.
very successful.
Congratulations for Karman Space once again. I'm not gonna lie, this is a huge achievement. In my words, I remembered when United Space made its first flight and achieved orbit. I have the same uh, reaction. I'm very excited and I am very um, I have no words.
Yeah.
Congratulations for my friends, Planiverse. Congratulations. Also for the board of directors. Thank you for giving us this opportunity to broadcast this launch and also to see these great views from the space on the K1 Stage 2 cameras.
After over 720 30 days, it has actually been successful.
Yeah.
I'm relieved after everything.
Maybe the stream director will show the payload in orbit. Also, if we can't show the live views of the payload, we're gonna show it on the K1 video summary on RSNU channel very soon. Okay, so now we're gonna end the stream. All we can say is that this mission is a success. We made it at the third attempt. And yeah,
Thank you all for
congratulations.
attending.
Thank you for attending. My name is Sander, and here with Kudi and Reitzer, I'm gonna say goodbye to y'all and stay safe.
Goodbye. Stay safe, you guys.
Thanks
Have a
for
good
tuning
day.
in. Stay safe.